Everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you is it possible to connect Binance wallet with Xempire. To find out, make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So all you have to do is to go and tap on the top right corner where the menu section is at. So in the menu section, all you have to do is to tap on airdrop section. Once you do it, you will see that my wallet has already been connected with the Xempire. So I'm gonna disconnect it to show you guys how it actually works. So here you will see that there is no Binance option. Even in the wallets, there is no Binance option. So all you can do is to go back to the application, and now let's see if there is any option from where we can connect the Binance. So there is no option to connect Binance wallet with the Xempire as of now because there is no connection of Xempire with the Binance. So let's hope so in the future the Binance will collaborate with the Xempire to bring up a wallet connection. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please take care and bye bye.